The United States loves shrimp. We devour mountains of it every year. But here's a startling fact. Most of this shrimp comes from overseas. That's changing. American shrimp farming is on the rise, offering a fresh, local, and sustainable alternative. For decades, we've relied on imports to satisfy our shrimp cravings. This reliance comes with hidden costs, environmental damage, questionable labor practices, and a hefty carbon footprint from shipping shrimp across oceans. Domestic shrimp farming offers a solution. American shrimp farmers are committed to responsible practices. They prioritize environmental sustainability and produce high-quality shrimp without the need for long-distance transportation. This movement towards local, sustainable seafood is resonating with consumers and businesses alike. The demand for American-grown shrimp is surging. Consumers are increasingly conscious of where their food comes from and its impact on the planet. They're willing to pay a premium for shrimp that aligns with their values. This shift in consumer preference is creating a wave of opportunity for American shrimp farmers. The numbers don't lie. The U.S. shrimp market is booming. Americans consume over 1.5 billion pounds of shrimp annually. That's a lot of shrimp cocktails and shrimp scampi. And the demand is only growing. Currently, the vast majority of this shrimp is imported, but here's the exciting part. The market for domestic shrimp is wide open. American farmers have a real opportunity to capture a significant share of this multi-billion-dollar industry. Consumers are increasingly seeking out local, sustainable options. They want to know where their food comes from and how it's raised. This trend towards conscious consumption is creating a premium market for American-grown shrimp. Restaurants, retailers, and distributors are taking notice. They're eager to offer their customers high-quality domestic shrimp that aligns with their values. This growing demand is translating into higher prices and increased profitability for American shrimp farmers. The stars are aligning for American shrimp farming. Several factors have converged to create an ideal climate for investment. Recent tariffs on imported shrimp have leveled the playing field, making domestic shrimp more price competitive than ever. Technological advancements are revolutionizing the industry. Innovations in aquaculture like recirculating aquaculture systems, RAS, and biofloc technology are making shrimp farming more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. These systems minimize water usage, reduce waste, and improve shrimp health. Government support is also playing a role. Initiatives aimed at promoting domestic aquaculture are providing valuable resources and incentives for aspiring shrimp farmers. This support is helping to lower the barriers to entry and accelerate the growth of the industry. The message is clear. Now is the perfect time to invest in American shrimp farming. The market is ripe, the technology is available, and the support is there. Starting a shrimp farm can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge and resources, anyone can embark on this rewarding journey. The first step is choosing the right location. Shrimp farming can be done indoors or outdoors, in ponds, tanks, or raceways. Climate and water access are key considerations. Warm, sunny climates are ideal for outdoor shrimp farming, while indoor systems offer greater control over environmental factors. Once you've secured a location, you'll need to invest in the necessary equipment. This includes tanks, pumps, filters, and aeration systems. The specific equipment you need will depend on the scale and type of shrimp farming operation you choose. Next, you'll need to source healthy shrimp post-larvae, PLs, from a reputable hatchery. These tiny shrimp are the foundation of your farm, so it's essential to start with high-quality stock. Proper care and feeding are crucial for their growth and survival. Section 5. High-tech harvests innovations shaping modern shrimp farming. Gone are the days of traditional low-tech shrimp farming. Today, cutting-edge technology is transforming the industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. One such innovation is recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS. RAS technology allows farmers to raise shrimp in a controlled indoor environment, using significantly less water than traditional pond systems. Water is constantly filtered and recirculated, minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact. Another game changer is biofloc technology. This innovative approach utilizes beneficial bacteria to convert waste products into natural food for the shrimp. This reduces the need for expensive commercial feed and minimizes pollution. Automated feeding systems are also gaining popularity. These systems deliver precise amounts of feed to the shrimp at predetermined intervals, optimizing growth and reducing waste. By embracing these technological advancements, American shrimp farmers can increase their yields, reduce their environmental footprint, and improve the overall sustainability of their operations. Section 6. Beyond the basics. Adding value and maximizing profits. While selling fresh, whole shrimp is always an option, savvy shrimp farmers can increase their profitability by exploring value-added products. Value-added products are simply shrimp products that have been processed or enhanced in some way to command a higher price. One popular option is to offer peeled and deveined shrimp. This convenient product saves consumers time and effort, making it a popular choice for busy families. Another lucrative avenue is to create ready-to-eat shrimp meals or appetizers. Shrimp scampi, coconut shrimp, and shrimp tacos are just a few examples of value-added products that can appeal to a wide range of consumers. Consider partnering with local restaurants or retailers to distribute your value-added shrimp products. This can help you reach a wider customer base and increase your sales. By adding value to your shrimp harvest, you can differentiate yourself from the competition, cater to specific market demands, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Section 7. The future is plentiful, sustainable seafood, and a growing market. The future of American shrimp farming is bright, as consumers become increasingly aware of the environmental and social impact of their food choices. The demand for sustainable, locally sourced seafood is only going to grow. American shrimp farmers are uniquely positioned to meet this demand. By embracing sustainable practices, investing in technology, and producing high-quality shrimp, they can capture a significant share of this burgeoning market. The environmental benefits of domestic shrimp farming are undeniable. By reducing our reliance on imported shrimp, we can minimize the negative impacts associated with long-distance transportation, habitat destruction, and unsustainable fishing practices. Moreover, American shrimp farmers are held to high environmental standards, ensuring that their operations are conducted responsibly and sustainably. By supporting American shrimp farming, consumers can feel good about their seafood choices, knowing they are contributing to a healthier planet and a more sustainable food system. Section 8. Challenges and considerations. Navigating the waters of shrimp farming. While the opportunities in shrimp farming are vast, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges and considerations involved. Shrimp farming, like any agricultural endeavor, requires significant upfront investment. The cost of land, equipment, and operating expenses can be substantial, especially for larger-scale operations. Managing water quality is paramount to the success of any shrimp farm. Shrimp are highly sensitive to changes in water parameters, so maintaining optimal levels of oxygen, pH, and salinity is crucial. Disease outbreaks can pose a significant risk to shrimp farms. Early detection and effective management strategies are essential for preventing widespread losses. Shrimp farmers must stay informed about common shrimp diseases and implement biosecurity measures to minimize the risk of infection. Despite these challenges, with careful planning, diligent management, and a commitment to sustainability, shrimp farming can be a highly rewarding and profitable venture. Section 9. Cast your net. A wave of opportunity awaits. The American shrimp farming industry is poised for explosive growth. Driven by strong market demand, technological advancements, and a growing awareness of sustainable seafood, there has never been a better time to dive into this exciting and rewarding field. Whether you're an experienced farmer looking to diversify your operation or an entrepreneur seeking a new and promising venture, shrimp farming offers a world of opportunity. The potential to produce high-quality, sustainable seafood, contribute to a more resilient food system, and reap the financial rewards of a growing market is within reach. Embrace the challenge, ride the wave of innovation, and cast your net into the promising waters of American shrimp farming. The future is plentiful, and the time to act is now.